Hello and welcome to the Southeast Idaho Weather Hazard Briefing for Sunday, February 6th, as presented by National Weather Service Pocatello. Here's what you'll see in this presentation. We continue to have a very stagnant pattern. The high pressure is centered over to the west of Idaho. This will keep airflow coming in from the north and somewhat from the northwest. This means continued colder than normal temperatures, at least for the first 3 days. Possibly warming up starting on Wednesday. There is a storm track that comes from interior Canada. When storms come from that area, there's very little available moisture to work with, and so there isn't a lot of precipitation with any of these, and we're not expecting very much here in the next week. The main problem during this time will be freezing fog, creating black ice issues in the overnight and morning hours. And then valley stratus, which may hang in all day, block the sun and keep temperatures cold. The next chance for light snow, there is still a low that passes very close to us on Tuesday night. It might bring a slight chance of snow to the eastern highlands, but that's actually been trending as less and less snow and less of a threat. And during all this time, there's no appreciable wind. There's another slight chance of snow on Friday in the same area, the upper Snake River highlands. And then there is a storm that is supposed to break down this pattern. It would arrive late on St. Valentine's night, which of course is February 14th, or the day after, February 15th. So we'll wait and see. That's a long way out. Here's a satellite image from this morning. You can see as the cirrus clouds fade away there, these white cloudiness, you can actually now see, we get the exposure of what's happening down at the surface. You can see widespread area of that blue cloudiness. That is stratus or fog, depending on its elevation. And there is quite a bit of it. A lot of visibilities are down to the half-mile mark, and probably some even less than that, and expect that to continue. And the way it's locked in here now is a lot of places won't be breaking out until the early afternoon rather than the late morning. So here we go, fog in the Snake Plain and Magic Valley especially. It doesn't look as bad for Sunday night into Monday morning, but a lot of that can change depending on how the moisture sets up and how our wind fields are. And then you see the one chance of some overnight snow in the eastern highlands on Tuesday, February 8th. And then really the next chance would be Friday, which is actually off this calendar. Really the rest of this slideshow is just temperatures and surface weather depictions for each day. You'll see the surface weather depictions really don't change much, just high pressure over the western states with occasional small areas of precipitation like we have here in central Colorado and northeast Nebraska. And the temperatures getting to around freezing and early, so slightly colder than yesterday, Saturday. Overnight lows, this is probably the coldest day of the next three. We actually get some single digits in especially the upper Snake River Plain. Stanley gets down to 7, Soda Springs 5, but not a whole lot below 0 unless you're in this valley here in the Fairfield area. Could see some precipitation here moving through the panhandle, but nothing approaching us at all. And here on Monday, you can see temperatures getting warmer. Again, this might be a reflection of less fog, less stratus on this particular day. And you can see Stanley forecast to be the warm spot at 42. Here's the overnight lows with a warmer end to the afternoon. Temperatures not quite as cold. Still some single digits, but it's more limited in aerial coverage. And then here is Tuesday. Again, a slight chance of some snow here in the upper Snake Highlands during the evening hours, but really it's not amounting to anything. And so I don't even have anything to show you on snow maps. And you can see temperatures about the same, maybe a little bit cooler, maybe 1 to 3 in some locations. And then overnight lows about the same as the night before. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number here, or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.